Not you.
Just literally doing a last minute setup.
Sounds good.
I'm shouting at Colt, not you.
So you been on the stream before, Tony?
I have not.
Alright, so it's pretty simple. That camera's going to sit there and watch you guys. I don't have the face cameras on currently, so if you make any weird faces, don't worry about it. Nobody can see that. But what is important is they can hear every single word that you say. That microphone picks up everything from right about here, and it's fairly clear. So don't say anything you don't want somebody to hear.
Gotcha.
It's that simple. Good luck.
I love fine.
Thank you. How's it going?
I'm doing what for yourself.
I'm doing pretty good. Devin.
Devin?
Yeah.
Tony. So what are you playing?
Unicorn.
Unis.
And that looks like Lions. 1 second.
Yeah, are you not in the L5R group anymore? That's what I thought, but it wasn't letting me in for some reason.
Yeah. So, catch you later. Let me know if you need anything, alright?
Grinding. Huh? We're just about to start first round. I went 2 and 2, and then I had to choose whether to drop and go into the second grinder or play the 5th round.
What'd you do?
And I lost my 5th round.
Did Tanya grind it?
Tanya did both yesterday and didn't make anything out of it.
Table 1, then we have
2.
We're at table 2. Oh.
then you don't have your slip. Result slip.
No, we do not have the match slip.
You want a spotlight this time?
Oh yeah. It's one heck of a way to start.
Samurai broken down.
First time back in.
On your feet!
And here comes the bonsai. Brought to you by Red.
Round 3 qualifier. All of 20 people. Awesome. Okay, good. Got the black skull people over there. That's awesome. All right, cool. You may begin.
He's never experienced that before.
And I had to be right by the speaker and nobody worked. Come on, y'all!
Alright, and that was the bonsai brought to you by Reggie.
You'll never remember it like that ever again.
I was like, wait until tomorrow.
That was a little awake.
Should be.
I missed a call from someone I don't know. Great.
Feel free to speak up if I do anything stupid. It's been about 1.5 years since I played last.
No worries.
I don't know how to do the chat thing.
I'm actually curious to see your build on this. One of my main opponents runs Compo Sensei a lot.
Gotcha. Alright, so let's see. Alright, so I guess we'll start this out then. Any opens, blah blah blah, move on down to Dynasty. And grab that. And we'll say good.
Okay.
Look, man, it's back.
Alright, have fun.
Corey, welcome. Cycle down. Legacy Coastline. I'll take it. Do you have any opens?
No, nothing.
Alright, grab the Coastline. Draw for turn. Table yours.
Alright, so I got 6.
You have 7.
Or
the Swan will produce 4 gold.
Oh, that's right.
Your holding produces 4.
I got you.
Which is just enough for all your
no
gold.
opens and everything?
Nope.
And you're done.
Spend. Let's even that out. Alright, pass on open. Dynasty, going to buy those. I get my developed Pori tokens. I'm just gonna make a little pile of them over here.
Gotcha.
Then I'm also going to use the Legacy ability, dropping, getting rid of a Your True Nature to go find another copy of Forgotten Legacy. Got it there. 2 gold floating will bring me my other developed Ori, giving me 3 more tokens.
No, I'm not on my own, so if you need me to bring something. Let me do that. Yes.
Would you like to cut?
I'll be back here.
I'm good.
Right. I'm going to leave Chihuahua in province. Draw for turn. Table's yours.
Got it. Lots of freaking gold.
I don't think you have to worry about gold.
Okay, so let's see. I'm assuming no opens.
Yeah, pass on opens.
So 6, 12, 13, 4, 7, 6, 13.
I traded for one before I got one.
Yeah, that's good. All right, just moving down to Dynasty then.
Yep.
Dying him, proclaiming.
The company's 49 players.
So that brings me up to.
Yeah, on the side it still shows it's open, but I wasn't certain.
I do not.
And that. That goes right there.
Yes, yeah.
I'm not seeing the crowd yet.
Discard, and I'm good to
Well,
go.
that sounds like a random ogre screaming around in here somewhere.
Are you too far up on cards?
What's that?
Or what are you discarding for?
Oh, did you not hear that guy scream? The real deep bellow?
Were you on your 9th? Or
I believe so.
Anyway, this is table 2 from the day 2 qualifier this morning. I don't know if I've ever seen Tony Maines or Devin Bell play before. Have you? No.
No, I've never seen these two play before.
I didn't know if you were going to like say look for a
This is
Forgotten
new to
Legacy
me,
or
but we're
something
looking at
first.
some
That's why I was
unicorns,
wondering.
and unicorn is pretty strong this year. It's one of the favorites.
And the old double stables 2-guy move here is going to be pretty big.
Ooh, that's a decision. Problem strength is 6.
Correct.
The other thing that we can expect today is the Modern Tournament, which will be starting at 10, I believe. And that we can expect a wide range of decks because the Modern legality goes back to Samurai, I believe.
Yeah, I think that's right. I haven't played much Modern.
Pass on opens.
That format was created by
Buy
Sparks.
everything that's on
It's a pretty good format. He's running around here somewhere.
5,
But it's a pretty decent format.
Yep.
That's supposed to start at 10 o'clock, so hopefully around our next match, we'll put that on here. We'll grab a couple guys.
Or a girl.
By Chiwa in the 2 stable.
Well, we'll grab 2 people. It could be girls.
Draw my card for turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Table is yours.
Nice.
That is Lako.
What is Lego?
Attention Alpha Bar players, we do have sign-ups for the 10 a.m. Modern event. 10 a.m. Modern Alpha Bar to my stage
Moving
right.
the source of longsword to Kyoakuinu. It's destined, so I get to draw a card.
Got it.
So I'm not entirely sure what personality that is, but he is attached a long sword to him.
Use it to develop Hori. Gets +1 force.
Gotcha.
And then that'll be it for me on opens.
And I'm good on opens. So I will go ahead and move on down to Dynasty.
Alright.
Alright, so we will start with Mako. Bring her in. Bring them.
13.
And 6 for him.
For Junsuke.
3 for an ancestor.
And he's a, what, +2 force?
He is a 2 force, 2 chi, 3 personnel.
His action, though, is +2 force.
Oh, his home battle, bow, give your target defending ancestor.
Oh, okay, so it has to be an ancestor.
And gain 1 honor.
Right, and you now have Lako. Did you pay for the interrupt?
Yep.
You did? Okay. Gotcha. So you'd be at 14?
Correct. And so I'll keep that there.
What's that?
Draw and discard.
What's that?
Opens.
Yeah, did you discard? Well, I was saying, did you discard already?
Yep.
You did, okay. Famous Bazaar, Cloth Market, Hadis Dojo, and Sakiko. Gonna pay 5 to put another Ensorcelled Longsword on Kyoakuinu. She's a Kensai. Draw a card from Destined.
Gotcha. Open, I will go ahead and go down the 1,000 Years Rivalry.
Okay. 13 left. That's 9. Alright, Rykits doesn't do anything on the defense, right?
Straighten a target enemy unit in the defender's home. Its controller may choose to move it to this battlefield. If he does not choose this, give this province -2 strength.
Okay, so you can move one of your own guys home.
Technically, yeah.
Okay. Did you have an open?
Opens, I already did that. That's pretty much it.
That's one rivalry. Okay. So she is currently 7 force.
Oh, I do have one more. Open, bow, create another one.
Make another ancestor?
Yep. Rather than using multiples for now, actually no. I'm going to need to for the moment because you're probably going to attack.
There. Let's see that one. Alright. I'm gonna use the quarry to add a token to the other Ensorcel Longsword.
Got it. What all does the Ancestral Longsword do, just to make sure?
It doesn't have any actions on it, but if you destroy it, they come back to my hand.
Got it. And what battle ability does she have?
She can move one of my infantry personalities from any location to where she is, but they're both cavalry, so that doesn't work right now.
Got it.
And she has a home action if I can bow her to move a unit into the current battlefield.
Got it.
So I have 4 units up.
Oh, I see. Gotcha.
Alright, I will pass.
I'm passing opens.
Alright, I will declare an attack. I will not assign any personalities.
I'll have 1 at every province.
Okay.
Pete, I would totally come via Oxford, except for...
Let's resolve...
I'm so busy. There's
you're
so many
engaged.
stops that we're making on that
Cavalry.
honeymoon.
Gotcha.
2
and then I'll
weeks
pass
is
it
not
over.
enough
So your first
time.
battle action.
I will go ahead and discretionary valor.
Going
Send
on.
them home.
You go to
Taking it on.
15?
Yep.
Okay. I'm taking the province, so I will pass.
Who do I feel like doing anything? No, I'm actually good at that.
Alright, nothing?
Nothing.
Alright, take. Then, do you have anything you wish to resolve at your battlefields?
No, I'm good.
Okay. So I will go to my dynasty. Gonna buy a famous bazaar first. 1 gold floating. Get a Kana. Let's go ahead and buy Sakiko. I'm gonna proclaim for 3, so I go to 10, drawing a card from Destined. 1 gold floating, huh? Yeah. Buy Okano and buy the Pattis Dojo. I'm gonna discard the Cloth Market. Draw my card for end of turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I do have to discard 1. I will discard... I'm going to discard Courage Beyond Question.
Gotcha.
Table is yours.
Alright, so let's go and start here. 3 gold there. Alright, so I'll go ahead and start out. Slap that on him.
Should I have this? Okay. I am passing all opens. You can go ahead.
Gotcha. Go ahead and now create another ancestor.
I will let Owen know not to come back without winning Gencon, which means that he's going to stay here. And I think Philly's a nice place, so I think maybe he'll move
So
there.
I now have a -3 force,
Gotcha.
and she's blank.
And bow for favor.
Yep.
Should be moving down to Dynasty unless you got anything else.
Nope.
Alright, so let's go ahead and dive for full. Lots of gold. Lots and lots of gold.
Buying the other right kit.
Number 3, 18. And here we go.
All right. Nalish, Sungmin, Hyokuinu, the Ivory Court. Alright. So. I'm going to pay 8 to equip my clan armor onto Sakiko. I'll go to 12 honor. Do you have any actions?
I'm good.
Okay. I'm going to buy the Ivory Courtroom. I'm going to take the favor from you.
Alright, let's see.
So as you can see, Devin's already taken down one province, and he's aiming to take another one here.
Let's go ahead and dial that.
He went ahead and used the open action in the Ivory Court to bring it into play and grab the Imperial favor from Tony. So Tony has less defensive abilities here.
Use the last developed quarry token on that one to give my armor +1 force.
Gotcha.
And did you have any another open?
I should be good.
The library allowed you to equip a spell?
Correct.
Okay. Paying 2 to invest a new alliance. Turn off the action on Shielded by Tempest and the Elemental Library.
Gotcha.
I draw a card from the invest. Then I'm passing.
Alright, and I will pass as well.
Okay. Kyowaku to the Plain Library, Sakiko to your Dynasty, or your face on it.
And I'll have 1 ancestor at each.
All 4 of these will be game right? Yep.
Okay. Let's resolve Sakiko's first. You're engaged.
I have no engage.
I will also pass engage.
So no engages?
Nope. You have first battle action.
Total force right now is
7.
Let's go ahead and give him +2 force, bump him up to 4.
So he's 4 force?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, so he does the force bonus
I'm
action
going to reserve
make it a 4 versus a 7 fight. And here comes
he can
Shinjo
cause a debuff equal to the personal honor of any of my
from the reserve action. Unicorn's pretty strong with the reserve actions and cavalry. It makes them pretty tough to handle. You'll have to eventually get into a battle and beat them with a few cards, and more than likely you're going to be outnumbered in that battle due to them having the cavalry trait as well as so many reserve personalities.
So what is his debuff?
It'll be a -3 while Sakiko's at the battlefield, or -2 if it's just him. It's off of personal honor.
Gotcha. Alright, we will go ahead and pure intent. Bumping by 3.
Looks as we have 23
So he's up to 7
players
right now.
competing today in the Day 2 qualifier, round 1.
That's a 3 honor buff? Or a 3 force buff?
That is 3 force buff.
So it should be a fairly quick event for most players, with all of them fighting for their chance to compete tomorrow in the main event.
So he's at 7 right now.
Friday, correct.
Okay.
This is Saturday.
So Min will give him the -3, bring him down to 4.
Yeah, I understand.
What's your total force at the moment?
-10. So I'm not taking through you.
Got it. And pure intent again. Back up to 7. Gain some more honor.
What's your name? I'm Andrew, and I'm on the Doomtown schedule, so I started
Just to give you guys a heads up, we have Andrew Onertov running the siege deck currently. I'm looking over there, but I really don't see much of what's going on, so I'm not sure. I know Andrew has 4 provinces, but I also don't know how the siege deck actually works. So maybe I'll get a chance to look at that later this afternoon and find out more.
So I gotta do that. All right.
10 tonight for the team. So, cards left in hand?
What's up?
You have how many cards you have in hand?
I have 5.
5, okay. Pass.
At the moment, you are basically not winning at all, right?
No, I'll destroy the ancestor, that's it.
What's his total force?
She's 9 force.
Gotcha. We will go ahead and ring of fire that guy.
Okay.
And I'll say good.
Alright, pass. Do you have to actually lose the province, or is it just the personality?
If I lose, period.
That's it?
If I lose the battle.
I never see fireplate, so if you lost the battle. Okay. So he is out. She is home. I gain 2 honor from killing the ancestor. Bring him up to 14. Alright. Let's resolve the other opposed battlefield.
So we're like, take a center stand.
So Tony was able to fend off pretty well there, with only losing his ancestor and also being able to go ahead and kill
6, 7, 8.
his personality there. So it's a pretty decent
Correct.
play for his part.
You have first battle.
He still has 4 cards in hands. We're going to move over to the next battle here and see if we can get this guy to protect that province one more time.
I'll pass.
Use her battle action to move Okano to the battlefield. So I'll put me up to 11 force.
Yep. I'm good. Anything else?
No stuff to take? Yeah, pass. So I get 2 more honor. I'll go to 16. Take the province. Anything you wish to do at your last battlefield?
Not for me.
Alright. My dynasty. Bow 10, buy Nalish, proclaim for 4. I'll be at 20. Leaving Kyoku Inu in province.
Devin takes the province there and crushes it down and buys a leash.
Draw my card for an
He's a pretty strong advantage currently
7 and the favor.
against Tony. Tony's going to have to have a pretty good flip here and a pretty good turn to be able to hold off.
Give me something other than freaking gold and duels.
That's people.
That's a non-duelist at least.
Hey, at least it's not Fri Grinder this time.
Alright, so let's see. Alright, so we will start open-wise. I'll go ahead and bow her.
Make an ancestor?
Yep.
Yeah, that one's still alive too, just don't forget.
Put all of these right in one place.
I'm passing opens.
It's pretty good that he pulled two personalities.
Take away the favor last turn.
The Ivory Courtroom. It's a holding.
What's it require?
I can buy it as an open action, and when I buy it, I take the favor.
Okay, so it's only when you buy it.
Yeah. So unless another one shows up in my provinces, that won't happen again.
Have fun.
But another one could show up in my provinces.
Attention Alpha Bar players. We are still taking sign-ups for the Alpha Bar Modern event that begins at 10 a.m. And we also have Doomtown sign-ups for qualifier number 3. If you would like either, please come to my stage right.
Should be good.
All right.
Moving down to Dynasty.
Yep.
Dynasty then, go ahead and grab all that stuff.
So you're going to gain 4, 3 from the plane, 1 from the sunset?
Correct.
Oh, actually, you couldn't lobby. I was above you in honor.
I was at 21-3 already at the beginning of the turn.
Oh, you're pure intense. I forgot to keep track of those. Sorry.
I was going to anyway.
So you'll now be up to 26? 27.
27 with that.
Sorry, I forgot to
So as stated, Tony is now at 27 honor. So it's still quite a bit ways to go. He needs to get 13. He should have 6 cards in his hand, so possibly some defensive honor gains here he can get. But it's not looking too good.
At this point.
5.
Okano, another Ivory Courtroom. And Coastal Land.
And luckily Devin flips another Ivory Courtroom, so he will be able to steal the Imperial favor this game again,
so,
which is huge for...
Buying another Ivory Courtroom.
It's huge for Devin to steal that Imperial favor from Tony. That's one less defensive action Tony has in this upcoming fight.
Spend the favor.
And Devin's going to at least try to grab one province from him for sure.
Thank you. No, that's okay.
Did you have it open after I bought the core?
Just that to increase the honor gain up to
Attention Alpha Bar Doomtown players, you have 10 minutes left to sign up for the Alpha Bar Modern and the Doomtown Qualifier 3 respectively. 10 minutes left.
Leash, draw a card for Destined.
Is he still at 9?
No.
Okay, I was going to say.
Pay 4 for an Arni's armor on Okano. Draw a card from Destined.
What all guys do you have with movements?
With
movement, any kind of movement ability?
She can move somebody in.
Gotcha.
She has the armor is negate a movement.
Okay.
She can move him into a battlefield because it's just infantry personalities. Then cavalry. And then as an engaged, Nalish can give somebody in my province's reserve. So I can buy either one of these as a battle action. Nalish is a tactician.
Gotcha.
And all of your infantry personalities against Nalish are -1 force.
They're all in tiers. I mean, just for that night.
So I got 8 gold up plus the stronghold. Oh, sorry, the stronghold as well. As a battle engage, I can move a cavalry unit into an opposed battlefield.
Gotcha.
I'm going to spend another 8 to put another Legion of the Con out on Okano, drawing a card from Destin.
John, this is Peter.
As you can see, Devin is stacking up attacks. It's pretty big out there. It's not looking very good for Tony.
Big game night. Volunteer.
I'm going to pay 2 gold. Your True Nature, destroy your shielded by Tempest.
You emailed them the report.
Oh, and here comes Your True Nature. That's gotta hurt.
Yes. Yeah.
Fear equal to personal honor. So you fear 2.
Got it.
And just so you, just because I noticed you have the fear out, the Legion of the Cons, range melee and fears targeting them are at -2.
Gotcha.
If that 3 gold doesn't do me a whole lot.
Well, I'm not so sure how much Unicorn will be dying here,
Victory
but
through deference.
it will look like there will be some dead
Battle
lions.
action.
We got the VTD coming on
do you
right
have
now,
anything,
removing battle
discipline
actions.
in your fate side.
Discipline? Yes, I have, maybe not. No.
Nothing over there.
Nope.
Okay. Do you have people in your discard pile at all?
Yes.
All right. Remove the people from the game.
Gotcha.
Draw my card from my invest.
Yeah, I'm not entirely sure how
And then I will be passing.
Tony can pull out this fight
I
here.
will be passing as well.
Okay. Attacking like so. She was at home.
And what's that armor do again?
That armor does nothing. He's resilient.
Which just
So
basically
he doesn't die during battle resolution, but all the attachments go away.
I agree, that is a pretty sweet looking playmat. That's one of the top 8 playmats from the spring Kotai season this year. And it's pretty sweet artwork. I'm not exactly sure who the artist is, but he did a pretty good job.
all 3 of them go ahead and defend against these guys.
All right. Leaving this one undefended?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do the opposed fight first.
Gotcha.
You're engaged?
I engage. I will go ahead and use this then to give him +2 force.
Okay. And there's something about dueling in there too.
It doesn't matter because he doesn't have duelist.
Okay. Cavalry to move Militia over.
Gotcha. I will use that to boost his force up to 5.
Oh no, we're still engaged.
Yeah. Never mind. Go for it.
Militia will give Okano reserve.
Gotcha.
And then that's it for engage. So go ahead and if you're gonna pump him up.
Yep. Bump him up. +3.
Okay, so he's 5.
Yep.
All right. So 5 and 4.
Correct.
All right. Use Militia's Legion of the Con to kill the 2 force one.
Yep.
This is currently the 20 Festival Arc Grinder number 3. Hopefully after this match we will be able to bring you guys a modern round to check it out. Pretty fun format.
As an interrupt for the kill, if this action is on other players after it destroys your defending follower or personality, give your target personality +2 force and resilience. So he's up to 7 and resilient.
And you up to 29.
Correct.
Standing fast, I destroy both ancestors.
Gotcha. love that card in so many terrible ways.
Yeah.
We'll use her to create one in the battlefield.
She doesn't have absent. You have to have presence of the battlefield to use it.
Yeah, it looks like we'll be able to get that modern match next. Modern format is pretty fun, and I would say Sparks is pretty strong at it since he came up with it.
No, in Emperor, she
Attention all of our players, this is last call for the modern event at 10 a.m. If you have tickets for generics or the event tickets, please come up to sign up. We're also doing last call for Doomtown, qualifier 3. This is last call for both events.
Standing fast can kill cards that have a gold cost of 0. So if it targeted the tokens, it kills them.
I'm toast.
Out of curiosity,
It's a freaking dueling deck, and I didn't get a single duel.
Really?
Not one.
Are you writing like Come One and all those kind of stuff?
I got Clash of Blades in there. I got Battlefield Challenge.
Battlefield Challenge would have
could've
really hurt me.
Anything. Not a single damn duel.
I was running into
As we
like
find out, Tony was playing a dueling deck and did not draw one duel the entire time.
Fight or one of those first couple fights,
That
you probably would have just
makes it pretty tough to handle.
Not a single one.
While we were getting set up for the next round, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the list of the qualified players
when
from
Waco
yesterday.
first got previewed,
You can see that we have a total of 44 people who qualified yesterday for the main event on Saturday.
It's like 2 gold for 0 force. As an
as you see
open
here,
action,
we
you
know
dial the
that
follower to straighten the attached
a few
Shugenja.
notable names
So
that I
Waco's
know
action is
personally.
open. So you
Some of you guys
can
might know
make one
Johnny
on your
Hinkle's on
turn,
there.
make one on my turn.
I'm not sure if he's qualified before. He's a pretty decent artist as well. I'm sure he's playing something to do with Lion. I've played with Lion quite a bit.
It was a rare.
A few other notable names. Mike Clark, well-known Scorpion player. He's on that list.
When Waco first came out, that was my thought: is just spam Ancestors as hard as you can.
I can't believe it took me that long to get freaking many Shugenjas though.
Yeah, you had that turn where like it was just Rye kits that showed up,
and then the other turn where it was just gold.
Yeah.
It was killing me, and then I couldn't get any of my card draws so that I could at least replace the stuff. Oh well, shit happens.
Hey,
Attention all of our players, qualifier number 3. You have 5 minutes left in the round. 5 minutes left.
So basically, though, the biggest thing that probably would have hurt was the dueling itself.
Yeah, well, like I said, I didn't hit any straighten until I started equipping all the Destin stuff.
Gotcha.
So if you had been able to actually bow out one of my units, I probably couldn't have gotten back up from it.
How'd you do?
I got this one.
I didn't.
You got it? Good. Oh, you did.
Phoenix Honor.
So I know it's probably stupid of me to run a dueling deck.
No, I did see the coward actually, but he didn't want to. He's like, yeah, I'll come in.
Very quick question for you.
Yeah.
Just want to verify. I am fairly positive it works the same way, but in dueling.
Yes.
Basically, I challenge you. You get the first decision as to whether to strike or
I was playing
focus, right?
Yesterday. I'm not today.
Yeah, the biggest difference is that now if you have the duelist keyword, you just win ties against non-duelists. You don't get to do the refocus that you could in Emperor.
Gotcha.
So you're stuck. You're kind of just stuck with whatever you put out.
That's kind of what I figured, and I'm good with that because honestly, it was built around dueling. But dear God.
Yeah.
Although to be fair, I don't have enough Clash of Blades yet because that is an expensive ass card.
Yeah.
Not to mention that would have helped out.
Yeah.
Although to be fair, with all of the stuff that you had that was pulling other things off, off cards and stuff, it maybe wouldn't have made that much difference.
I also had enough. I think I had enough movement actions built up that even just pushing somebody out, I'd be able to bring them back.
Did you have a lot of absent then, or unopposed movement?
Just cavalry.
Gotcha.
But I would have had to have been opposed. But like I didn't have my armor, and I was holding on to Ring of Earth as well, so I could have just stopped all of the movement.
Alright, so let's go ahead and swap them out. That was another thing that I didn't like.
What was that?
I currently have 3 Kitsulekos in here because the trade that I was trying to do before we
Attention
started.
all of our players. Mike Johnson, if you are here, please come to the front desk.
He didn't show
Mike
up in
Johnson.
Oh.
That's why he came over and said sorry.
We're at table 2. Oh. Then you don't have your slip. Result slip? No, we do not have the match slip.
Spotlight this time? Oh yeah. It's one heck of a way to start.
Samurai rope gun.
First time back in.
On your feet.
And here comes the bonsai. Brought to you by Red.
Round 3 qualifier. All of 20 people. Awesome. Okay, good. Got the black skull people over there. That's awesome. All right, cool. You may begin.
He's never experienced that before.
I know I had to be right by the speaker and nobody worked. Come on, y'all!
Alright, and that was the bonsai brought to you by Reggie.
Never remember it like that ever again.
Tomorrow will be
I was like, wait until tomorrow.
That was a little awake.
I missed a call from someone I don't know. Great, not you.
Literally doing a last minute setup.
Sounds good.
I'm shouting at Colt, not you.
So you've been on the stream before, Tony?
I have not.
Alright, so it's pretty simple. That camera's going to sit there and watch you guys. I don't have the face cameras on currently, so if you make any weird faces, don't worry about it. Nobody can see that. But what is important is they can hear every single word that you say. That microphone picks up everything from right about here, and it's fairly clear. So don't say anything you don't want somebody to hear.
Gotcha.
It's that simple. Good luck.
I look fine.
How's it going?
I'm doing what for yourself.
I'm doing pretty good. Devin.
Devin?
Yeah.
Tony. So what are you playing?
Unicorn.
Unis.
And that looks like Lions. 1 second.
Yeah, are you not in the L5R group anymore? That's what I thought, but it wasn't letting me in for some reason.
Yeah. So, catch you later. Let me know if you need anything, alright?
Grinding. Huh? We're just about to start first round. I went 2 and 2, and then I had to choose whether to drop and go into the second grinder or play the 5th round.
What'd you do?
And I lost my 5th round.
Did Tanya grind it?
Tanya did both yesterday and didn't make it either.
Table 1, then we have...
So, feel free to speak up if I do anything stupid. It's been about a year and a half since I played last.
No worries.
I don't know how to do the chat thing.
I'm actually curious to see your build on this. One of my main opponents runs Compo Sensei a lot.
Gotcha. Alright, so let's see. Alright, so I guess we'll start this out then. Any opens? Blah blah blah, move on down to Dynasty. And grab that. say good.
Okay.
Look, man, it's back.
All right, have fun.
Corey, welcome. Cycle down. Legacy Coastline. I'll take it. Do you have any opens?
No, nothing.
All right, grab the Coastline. Draw for turn. Table yours.
Alright, so I got 6.
You have 7. The Sawano will produce 4 gold.
Oh, that's right.
You're holding produces 4.
I got you.
Which is just enough for all your
no
gold.
opens and everything?
Nope.
And you're done.
Spend. Let's even that out. Alright, pass on opens. Dynasty, going to buy those. I get my developed Corey tokens. I'm just gonna make a little pile of them over here.
Gotcha.
Then I'm also going to use the Legacy ability, dropping, getting rid of a Your True Nature to go find another copy of Forgotten Legacy. Got it there. 2 gold floating will bring me my other developed quarry, giving me 3 more tokens.
No, I'm not on my own, so if you need me to bring something. Let me do that.
Would you like to go?
I'll be back here.
I'm good.
I'm going to leave Chihuahua in province. Draw for turn. Table's yours.
Got it. Lots of freaking gold.
I don't think you have to worry about gold.
Okay, so let's see. I'm assuming no opens.
Yeah, pass on opens.
So 6, 12, 14, so we got 4, 7, 6, 13.
I traded for one before I got one.
Yeah, that's good. All right, just moving down to Dynasty then.
Yep.
Dying him, proclaiming.
The company's 49 players.
So that brings me up to.
Yeah, on the site it still shows it's open, but I wasn't certain. I do not.
And that.
Yes. Yeah.
Discard and I'm good to go.
Well, that sounds like a random ogre streaming around in here somewhere.
Are you too far up on cards?
What's that?
Or what are you discarding for?
Oh, you not hear that guy scream with a real deep bellow?
Were you on your 9th? Or
I believe so.
Anyway, this is table 2 from the day 2 qualifier this morning. I don't know if I've ever seen Tony Maines or Devin Bell play